Hello and thank you for joining. My name is Haley. The explosion-proof units have the same impressive features and abilities as their standard counterparts. To view that information, refer to their product series videos. This video will focus entirely on the explosion-proof characteristics. Equipment that is rated explosion-proof is engineered for use in hazardous duty locations where explosive dust and vapors can be present. I'll begin with the XE-2000-EXP. Jaybird is proud to offer this Turbo-XE unit with explosion-proof capability. This unit is not supplied with a power cord because, in most cases, customers will install the unit using rigid conduit. Jaybird offers a flexible hazardous duty power cord as an option when ordering. We also have a NEMA 520 hazardous duty plug. Keep in mind that to use this plug, you would need to have or acquire a corresponding hazardous duty receptacle. Now for the HRSM-EXP. Again, we're very proud to offer this complete explosion-proof unit with exceptionally rare product capability. Supplied with 25 feet of hazardous duty power cord, the installer can hardwire the unit in place or source a hazardous duty electrical plug for increased mobility. All of the unit's electrical lines are tightly sealed by conduit. A warning is clearly posted about maintaining an appropriate water level in the tank during operation. There is also a backup float valve control to safeguard water level. This sturdy and compact unit can be easily transported. It is delivered fully assembled, ready for operation. Explosion-proof units have the same fogging performance as their standard counterparts. To see fogging action, you can watch their product series videos. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about the explosion-proof units or would like to order, check out our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.